Hello, welcome to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna, and in today's guide, I'll walk you through a helpful accessibility feature: how to answer calls automatically on Android. This feature is especially useful when you're driving, wearing headphones, or unable to tap the screen quickly. Open the Call app. This is the primary app you use to make and receive calls. Once the app is open, see the corner of screen and tap the three-dot Money More symbol. A small menu will appear with several options there pop-ups. Next, select Settings to access additional call-related features. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Answering and Ending Calls. The name may vary slightly depending on your device brand or Android version. Tap on it to continue. Now, look for the Answer Automatically option and open it. Turn the toggle switch on to activate the feature. After enabling it, you'll see timing options that let you choose how long the phone should wait before answering an incoming call automatically. For example, you can select 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. Choose the delay that best fits your needs. Many users prefer 5 seconds for a balanced response time. Keep in mind that on some devices, automatic answering works only when using a headset or Bluetooth device. Thanks for tuning in to Quantum Tech Lab, where smart tech tips make life easier. Stay connected for more practical step-by-step tutorials designed to simplify your digital world.